Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews, your destination for the boldest, most luxurious, and futuristic machines redefining the open road. Today, we take you into the heart of innovation where Japanese engineering meets premium mobile living. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of RV travel. This is the 2026 Honda Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends cutting-edge technology with serene, sophisticated design. The moment it arrives, the Honda Motorhome captures attention not with brute size, but with elegance and purpose. Sculpted for efficiency in presence, its aerodynamic profile cuts through the air with precision. Framed by sleek LED lighting signatures that wrap around the front and sides, the satin finish bodywork, available in pearl lunar white and deep graphite black, exudes a subtle luxury, while integrated solar roof panels hint at the innovation underneath. Built on an all-electric platform derived from Honda's latest Global F chassis, this motorhome delivers performance that's both silent and stunning. Dual electric motors offer a balanced all-wheel drive experience with instant torque, ensuring this luxury cruiser glides effortlessly whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising coastlines. Powered by Honda's new generation solid-state battery pack, it boasts over 500 miles of range and ultra-fast charging alongside onboard solar trickle charging to support off-grid independence. The entrance welcomes you with soft lighting and a whisper-quiet automatic sliding door. Inside, the atmosphere shifts into one of pure tranquility. Inspired by traditional Japanese minimalism, the interior uses natural materials and calming tone as real bamboo inlays, vegan leather seating, and soft microfiber textures. The open floor plan flows smoothly from front to back, with every inch designed for elegance and utility. The main living space is versatile and intelligent. Modular furniture adapts to your needs, with a convertible lounge that becomes a bed, a retractable 70-inch OLED display with eye-curated entertainment, and panoramic smart windows that tint automatically based on sunlight. The digital interface throughout cabin is powered by Honda's Sensei AI assistant, letting you control every system: climate, lighting, security, and entertainment with a voice command or subtle hand gesture. In the kitchen, innovation continues. A dual-zone induction cooktop, convection microwave, compact dishwasher, and refrigerator all blend into the cabinetry with clean precision. The backlit backsplash displays dynamic recipe guides, and the smart inventory system alerts you to ingredients on hand, meal suggestions, and expiration tracking. Every detail is focused on comfort without compromise. Further back, the bedroom area transforms into a sanctuary of rest. A floating memory foam bed adjusts to your body's pressure points in real time, with built-in massage and temperature controls. A digital skylight above offers stargazing at night, while custom wardrobe storage keeps everything neat and easy to access. The bathroom is another standout, featuring a rain-style shower, soft closed glass doors, heated tile floors, and an intelligent mirror that syncs to your morning routine. The 2026 Honda Motorhome isn't just about where you go, it's how you feel while getting there. Safety, as always with Honda, is a priority. The vehicle includes Level 3 autonomous driving, 360-degree cameras, predictive navigation, and an emergency override system. Whether on the highway or the backwoods, you're always connected, protected, and in full control. From city lights to canyon nights, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision, a celebration of intelligent travel, a reimagining of what it means to move, live, and explore. The 2026 Honda Motorhome dares you to dream bigger and drive further. If this glimpse into the next generation of RV luxury inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride into the future with Road Ready Reviews.